So I have got a story for you guys. I'm actually sitting on my bed with my foot elevated and iced and wrapped because I seriously just sprained my ankle. Pretty bad. It's a bad sprain. It's I wasn't even doing anything really. I mean, I was I was on a skateboard. Okay, I'm not a skateboarder. I was just checking the skateboard out. I wasn't trying to do anything fancy. I wasn't doing like kick flips. I wasn't doing anything. I literally was just trying to see that sensation of gliding and what is that experience like on a skateboard. And the board shot out from in front of me, and I stepped back and I rolled my ankle, and I swear my pain level hit a full on 10. I nearly puked. I nearly passed out. Like, you can't even touch my foot because my whole leg starts shaking because of the pain. It's that bad. So now I'm sitting here with my foot elevated and iced, and I have a feeling it's going to be a long time before I'm skating again, which is pretty disappointing. Okay, here it is, you guys. I'm not actually going to show it to you because I honestly don't even want to touch my ankle. It's just too painful. But I've got it wrapped. It's up on a pillow. It's got ice on it. So I'm doing what I can.
I'm really trying to be patient with myself because pretty much all I can do is lay around. It takes a lot of effort to get up on crutches and do anything, even just, go get myself ice or heat up some soup. I feel like there's so much I should be doing, but this is my life right now for the next couple days at least, just laying here. So yay. I did take a picture of my foot earlier, so for those of you who are into that kind of stuff, I'll put that up. Otherwise, just like forward 15 seconds.
Check that out. It is super gross, purple, blue, really swollen. I mean, I have cankles right now. It's terrible.
Hey guys, so it's been about 5 days since I hurt my foot. I'm having to get ready to go in for work. I have a bunch of lessons I can't put off. Of course, I'm not going to be able to go out on the ice because I'm in crutches, so I'm going to be sitting on the side in the players' benches, which is going to make me work harder on verbal teaching rather than demonstrating of any kind, but it'll be an interesting challenge at least, if nothing else. Hopefully I can still do a good job for my students. I think I will be able to. My foot is so swollen, I'm not going to be able to put a shoe on, so I'm just going to layer, I'm going to have my wrap on it, and then I'm going to layer a couple of socks on it.
So this is it currently, still pretty purple, pretty blue, maybe a little bit better, I don't know.
And here we have layer 1, a foot protection. Layer 2 is this super pretty and super thick sock my mom gave me for Christmas. And layer 4 is this awesome fleece lined sock. I mean, not fleece lined sock, it is a fleece sock. It's like a sewn fleece sock. So that hopefully will be warm enough. My toes will probably still be cold. Hopefully with all of this, it won't get bumped or anything. Okay, I'm ready to go. First day at work. I'm going to have to take a lift because I injured my right foot, my driving foot, and I have to get down my apartment stairs before I can get to that lift, so that'll be interesting. But got my, let's see, there we go, fleece lined pants on, sock, crutches, gotta grab just some sweaters and stuff, and then we're off.
Okay, I'm ready. It's actually kind of like awesome because it's so cold in here that I feel like I'm icing my foot. Like it's iced and elevated even when I'm coaching. Perfect.
That is swelling, folks. My foot is just poofy. My toes are poofy. My foot is poofy. Ugh.
Also, while we're on the subject, the swelling has gone down a little bit, so that's good, but it's been replaced with this really weird green-yellow color, which all means it's healing. It's just taking its sweet time.
Hey guys, so it's currently 10 days into this injury. I still can't put any weight on it. I'm definitely still in my crutches here. I can like touch my toe to the ground, so I guess that's progress. I couldn't do that before, but I can't stand on it at all. I am going to show you what it looked like, but I want to warn you in advance, it looks like a cadaver. So just now you've been warned.
I warned you, it's pretty gross. It's yellow, it's green, and it's getting this weird line along the bottom and all the way over to this toes, this purple-blue line. It's weird.
This is probably the grossest video I'm ever going to put up on my channel. At least as far as my own feet. Every time I go to the rink, I have to try to get up or down the stairs in front of my apartment. They're really, really steep, and I keep tripping myself. And instead of accidentally stepping on my injured ankle, I'm just smashing my shin. So I have bruises all up and down my shin, which is no fun, but it feels really precarious doing it with crutches.
It is now day 14. It's been 2 weeks since I hurt my foot, and I did feel like I made some progress the last couple days where I can actually put a little bit of pressure on my foot. Not much. I definitely still am using the crutches, but being able to put a little weight on my foot is a big milestone, it feels like. So that's really exciting. It's still super ugly. As you can see, there's this purple line that goes kind of all the way along the bottom of my foot, and then it goes all the way up across my toes, which is kind of weird. But progress. I'm just excited to be able to start a little bit standing on it, so that's good.
Hey guys, so it has now been 6 weeks since I rolled my ankle on that skateboard injury. I have switched from crutches after about a little over 3 weeks. I switched from crutches to just walking with a brace. It took about 3 weeks to really be able to put any pressure on it and walk on it. Once I could do that, I switched to a brace. So that's what I've been doing. Is I have a hard-sided brace that wraps around my ankle, and at first that seemed like it was really helping. I was really feeling like it gave me the extra bit of support and security to make sure I didn't re-roll my ankle while I was walking around. But I have been feeling like I've hit a wall with my recovery. It recovered to a point where I could put pressure on it and walk on it, but it still has been extremely swollen. I have had pain every single day, like literally every single day I'm in pain throughout most of the day. It's tolerable, but over the course of a day that will really wear on you. And I started just getting worried that maybe there was something more going on with my ankle than originally had thought. So yesterday I had my ankle looked at, and it's just still really sprained, really injured. And because I had some ability to move my ankle in that hard-sided brace, the progress, the healing had kind of come to a halt. So I've been advised to switch from my brace to a walking boot. I'm supposed to wear this walking boot for about 3 weeks. And then after that, I can wear skates once I have, more mobility and if the pain has subsided. But for now, I'm in a walking boot. I don't know, I'm not in crutches, but I'm in a walking boot. Could be worse, could be better, but at least I have a clear path ahead of me on what I'm supposed to be doing to heal at this point. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you my brace. I mean, you've seen them before, so it shouldn't be any big surprise what it looks like, but I'll show you anyway, and you can see what I'm gonna be walking around in for the next 3 weeks.
Here it is. It's huge. I know. It's got how many Velcro straps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Velcro straps holding it in, and then it's got the hard sides. I have put a couple of heel supports in there because it's keeping my ankle heel up. Otherwise, the heel would sink down like this, and it's kind of really feels precarious to walk in. It has this cool air pump, so you can pump it up, and the lining in here fills with air, which kind of cushions the ankle and makes it so your foot can't wiggle around in there. So that's kind of cool. I have had this thing on for a day, just a day, and this is the first time in 6 weeks that I haven't had pain.
You guys, I just can't even begin to express the relief I feel at not being in pain anymore. I mean, I can't believe that just one day in the walking boot has done, so much for my ankle, but it's just a relief. I mean, 6 weeks, you guys, 6 weeks every single day. And I know there's people who deal with pain on a regular basis, but this has just been rough. And I'm grateful. I'm so, so grateful right now.
All right, so now that I've graduated from the crutches to the walking boot, I can walk around, like put people's music on and stuff, but I don't want to slip and hurt myself again, so I'm going to wear spikies. So the one with the shoe, I can wear a normal spiky. There you go, fits on really good, but this one won't stay on, so I've got a special spiky. It has a Velcro strap across the toe. Let's see, let me get this on. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then it doesn't stay on the heel, so I'm gonna tie it on with some string. I'm gonna go around, oh my gosh, okay. I'm going around this guy, through the heel, and then I tie it on. Little MacGyver action there. But now the spikies on the heel will stay on and the spikies on the toe, and I have more security walking around. Can you hear that?
I'm getting ready to head into work, and today is actually going to be the first time that I try and teach in my skates in 10 weeks. My ankle injury was 10 weeks ago. So this is kind of feels like a big deal getting back in my skates. I'm excited. I'm also kind of nervous because my ankle is not 100% back to normal. It's much improved. I'm at a point where I am kind of cleared to wear my skates, but it is not back to normal. It's very, very stiff. Also feels very weak. So I'm going to have to be really careful with it. Just not doing anything really, not any demonstrating or anything, but I can at least get around the ice and, it'll be better than sitting on the side. I am fully prepared though that I might get tired and have to switch to shoes at some point, so I got a backup pair of shoes with me, but hopefully today goes well. I'm trying to just stay positive and let's do this.
Okay. All right. Gosh. Oh my gosh, I feel like an absolute baby right now. I feel like I'm gonna fall on my face. I know I'm not going to, but I feel like I'm gonna fall on my face. This is terrible. I don't want to take my feet off the ice. I just want to do swizzles. I'm just gonna swizzle around all day. That's all I'm gonna do. This must be what it's like when you're like a beginner figure skater and you feel like you're gonna fall over every minute. I mean, it's kind of terrifying. I kind of get it now. I can't stop on that foot. I can only stop on my hard foot. Oh well. Well, I'm back on the ice. I can't do much of anything at all, but I'm back on the ice, and that is very exciting. Huge progress. I'm grateful to be out here again. It's going to take a lot for this foot. Feels like I can actually do real skating on it again, but at least I can be out here working with my students, and that's exciting. So make sure you subscribe below so you can follow my progress, and in the meantime, you can check out this video over here that I think you'll enjoy.